royal descendants award this type of recognition to Dato Muslimin G. Snema, Dato Saboyan, royal descendants of Guatemala Silungan, Eminent Chairman and Minister Molly Barn, in grateful recognition of his distinctive and exemplary services rendered as guest speaker during the first grand reunion of Sultan Tipulog royal descendants, with a theme to strengthen and foster unity among the Sultan Tipulog descendants. On September 20, 2025, held at Cotabato State University Gymnasium, Sinsuan Avenue, Cotabato City, given this 20th day of September 2025. Signed by Kumbet Karon Kadir, MBS, Putri Darumagi sa Radyo Bayan Sabuyan, Vice President Sultan Maputi Tipulog Clan, and President Royal Descendants Guatemala Silungan sa Radyo Bayan Sabuyan. Signed, Dato Jun M. Paglala, President Sultan Tipulog Royal Descendants.
Okay, thank you so much, Minister Dato Muslimin.